Finding Pokemon cards at Walmart has been almost impossible for me, so I was quite surprised when I managed to grab not just one, but two Pokemon stacking tins last week. These are the Spring 2025 D7 tins, which were released in early March 2025. Each tin retails for $15 originally, though the current price has crept up to $16.98. While that's a slight increase, it still feels like a reasonable pickup. Opening up the tin, you'll find a total of 3 booster packs. Specifically, it comes with 2 Destined Rivals packs and 1 Journey Together pack. This mix is pretty decent, especially if you're chasing cards from the sets. Besides, it also has 2 Pokemon-themed sticker sheets. They're a small bonus if you like collecting or decorating binders, sleeves, or storage boxes. Breaking down the value, the cost comes out to about $5.66 per pack. That's slightly above the typical MSRP per booster pack, but not by a huge margin. Speaking of the tin, it looks good, and the real selling point is the stackable feature. If you pick up multiple tins like I did, they sit neatly on top of each other, making them great for storage or display. You can use them to hold extra cards, accessories, or just keeping them sealed as part of your collection.